Something very exciting happened today. Well, we bought that yesterday on the want ads. It's like for rabbits, but we're going to use it for our little chicks. Yes, we got chicks. We put them in this for a little while this afternoon while John got the place ready. There's the cat house. Hello, kitties. So this is the greenhouse turned cat house turned chicken house. Little chickens. All right. Hello, little buddies. There are 10 chicks and then 3 guineas. There they are. So John, he made this little fencing. And there's food, water, heat lamp, because they can't regulate their temperature, so they go in and out as they, you know, that whole instinct. And look at them. The McFarmer farm is coming along. Alana announced there are 5 of us in our family, plus Sterling is 6, plus the cats is 8, plus 10 chicks is 18, plus 3 guineas is 21. So we now have 21 people in our family. I said, okay. That's it. Big announcement.